Welcome to CAD Quick Start. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of creating a simple title block and border using AutoCAD that can be customized to fit any size sheet of paper. Before we begin, we need to ensure that we set up our drawing area. You can find a video for this tutorial on my page, How to Set Up a Drawing Paper Before Starting Any Drawing. After doing so, we can begin. Now, before we can start our drawing, we have to determine the size of drawing paper that we are going to be using. In this tutorial, we are going to be focusing on an A3 paper. The measurement for this paper is 297 millimeters by 420 millimeters. Once we have established our paper size, we may begin. We are going to start by typing MV Setup. Now, it is asking us to enable our paper space, yes or no. We are selecting no, so N, enter. The unit that we are working with is metric, so we press M and press enter. Here, it's asking us to determine our scale factor. This is based on the size of drawing that you're going to be using. Now, we are going to assume that we're working with small drawings with small measurements. So our scale factor is going to be 1. Now we are going to enter our paper size. Again, this tutorial allows us to draw using any measurement. So based on the paper that you're going to be using, will determine what measurement you would enter here. However, again, for this tutorial, we are using the A3 paper. So we are going to input the measurement for the A3 paper, which is 420 millimeters and 297 millimeters, enter. A box is going to appear. We're going to move the box. Now this box represents our paper. We now have to create our border. To do so, we have to offset the rectangle. To offset the rectangle, we have to highlight the box and activate the offset command. This can be done using the shortcut or enter. The offset distance that we're working with is 10. And we select on the inside of the original box. Now the second rectangle that appears is our border. We now have to explode this rectangle. The shortcut command for explode is X enter. Once the rectangle is exploded, we can now offset the baseline. Here, we are now able to create our title block using whatever design that we want to. I am going to create a simple design for my title block for this tutorial that can be utilized in the classroom. So I'm going to now offset going up 3 times at 10 millimeters. So again, the offset shortcut command is O enter. My offset distance is 10, enter, and I go up 3 times. Now to ensure that my spaces are equal, I am going to measure the distance. It is 400. So if I am going to divide my title block into 4 equal spaces, and the overall distance is 400, I can offset each side at 100 millimeters 4 times. Go enter, 100, enter, 1, 2, 3. And trim off the excess. The shortcut command for trim is TR, enter. Trim off the excess. We are now going to utilize the midsection to write in our information in our title block. We go to multi-line text and we start text. Name, CAD, Quick Start. Date, 17th June 2025. Topic, title block. scale 1:1 ratio. Now our text is a bit small, so to adjust our text, we would select the text, right click on the screen, select properties to open our property box. We go to the text section, we go down to paper text. It is currently 2.5. We're going to adjust it to 4.5. Once that is done, we can now move the text so that it is centered properly in our border. And there you go. We have successfully created a simple title block and border using AutoCAD. For more helpful videos, please remember to like and subscribe.